Evening, everybody. It is 6:17, and this is your closing comment video number 1888 for this Monday afternoon. Okay, so we started a little stronger in the futures, and we followed through to the upside, and then in the middle of the day, we kind of got a little sloppy, and then towards the close, we came on again with the Dow closing up 247 and change, Nasdaq up 114, the S&P up about 2760, the Russell up 1538, and the transport slightly lower, down just 33. So it was interesting. All 13 of my sectors were actually higher on the day, although there were some disappointments. The chart on the screen is the nat gas, and as you can see, it started off with a bang here, got all the way up over 280, got up to 282.90, so 283, and then came all the way back down. And while it closed up on the day, it was at the low of the day, so that was a big disappointment because it looked like it was coming out of this to the upside. So we'll have to see what kind of day we have tomorrow. This morning I told you about 3M, and it was up 6.25 on a settlement of that earplug suit. It actually stayed pretty much right around there. The range for the day was 105.65 to 102.59. The last in extended hours right now is 104.12. That's up 517 or 5.22%. We had um, NVCR, which also was down hard on the day. That company was a disappointment in an ovarian cancer trial. This morning it was 1896, down 1077, 36%. It actually never made it back above the high from this morning, which was 2096, and the last is 1870. So another 26 cents lower, and closed right on the low. Very tough day for that one. THRN, which I told you about this morning, being bought at $10.20 in cash, 10.06 up to 24. We actually had a bunch of M&A. The FTC filed a motion to withdraw from um, adjudication on Amgen's bid to acquire Horizon. Amgen was up 17 cents on that. Horizon was up $5.48, 5%. Danaher acquiring Abcam, ABCM. It's a $24 stock deal, and it's more of a take under than a takeover. Because the stock was down today, 22.35, down 101. So I'm guessing they ran that up ahead of time. Kimco Realty up 2 cents, acquiring RPT Realty in an all stock transaction. RPT 1123 up 166 or 17%, and KSL Capital Partners acquiring Hersha Hospitality Trust for $10 a share in cash. That one closed 979, up 351 or 55.9%, a 60% premium over the Friday close. The 210 inversion continued to widen again, closed at 85, minus 85, and that was up 4 ticks, with the 2 year moving up to 506, that's up 1, and the 3 year falling 3 to 421. So while the lower 10 year was supportive of the market, um, this is not a great situation until and unless we start to see this narrow again. We have a lot of news tomorrow at 9 o'clock. FHFA Housing Index and Case-Shiller Price Index. At 10 o'clock, we have consumer confidence and the JOLTS, the job offering openings. And so those are two pretty major deals we'll have to see. As far as the internals on the market, um, 2.6 to 1 up on the NYSE and 3 to 2 up on the NASDAQ. The thing that bothers me right here is the fact that we continue to make these runs on declining volume. Um, first on the good days, we were having 5.5 billion. Last week, most of the rallies were in the 4.4 to 4.1 billion. And today we had a measly 3.6 billion. It doesn't surprise me to see that kind of low volume in the last week, essentially the last official week of the summer. Friday is the first, so Monday is Labor Day. All the kids are going back to school, etc. So that doesn't really surprise me, but to see the market up 250 and the Nasdaq up 115 um, with that kind of volume is somewhat concerning. Let's see what else we have here. We had the oil up 27 cents, nat gas, I've already told you, up 1. The gold was up 690, silver up 2 cents at 24.60, Bitcoin up $10. That's a rounding error there. The US dollar 103.99, that was down 2 cents, and bonds were up 3/16 of a dollar. All right, folks, I'll be back first thing in the morning. Hope everyone had a good day.